Good evening, dear students. Today we will learn about cube root of a negative perfect cube. It means how do we find cube root of a negative form? Means when you have number in the negative, then how do you find perfect cube? Let a be a positive integer. Suppose when you have any number a and that is a positive form, then minus a is a negative integer. We know that minus a whole cube is equal to, when we remove this small bracket, so this cube's form is with negative sign because 3 times, so when we multiply minus sign 3 times, so we will get negative sign. Similarly, when we find the cube of any integers, so if that a value is negative, it means that cube also negative. Cube root of minus a cube is equal to cube root of a cube and negative sign. First of all, when you write cube root inside of the bracket, so before bracket you will use negative sign. It means negative numbers cube is always negative. Let's see with this example. There is a 1000. Because of your value is in the negative form, it means that cube also in the negative form. So firstly, ignore the minus sign and you just find out the prime factorization by making the factor of 1000. Then let's see 2 how many times, 3 times, and 5 how many times, 3 times. It means resolving 1000 into prime factors, what we get 2 3 times and 5 3 times. It means what is the cube of 1000? Because 2 in triplet form and 5 is also in triplet form, so we take out from 1 2 and 1 5, so 5 2s are 10. It means cube root of minus 1000 is minus 10. Minus sign we will write outside of the bracket and inside 1000 with a cube root sign, then we will get 5 2s are 10 and this is a negative sign. It means what is a cube root of minus 1000, which that is minus 10. Then next topic is cube root of product of integers. When integers in the separate form, then how we find the product of given integers? We have cube root AB. So there is a 2 numbers, so we can write in the separate. There is in the inside of 1 cube root. So if inside of 1 cube root any number, 2 numbers are there, so we can write the separately in cube root form given numbers. Let's see with example. Suppose 125 and 64 in 1 cube root, so we will write separately 125 in the cube root form and 64 is also in the cube root form, but we will write separately. Then after where we will write the prime factors of 125 is 5 in the triplet form and 64, so 4 in the triplet form. And because of triplet form of 5, so we take out 1 5 from cube root sign, and from cube root sign we will take out from 1 4. So 5 4s are 20. It means the value of this number is 20. And how do we find the cube root in the rational number form? Rational number form means when you have any number in the p upon q form and where p and q it will be integers, means whatever, sometime it will be negative also, sometime it will be positive also. Then how do you solve? You solve there also you can separate cube root of numerator and separate cube root of denominator. Let's see this example. There is a rational number 216 upon 2197. So firstly we will keep the cube root separately with numerator and denominator. Then after we will find the factors of given number and making the triplets form. So we will take one numbers from the cube root sign, and that is a final cube root of rational number. So let's start exercise 4C. Question first, find evaluate of number 64 in the cube root form. So let's see how we do. First of all, we will find the prime factor of given number. So 64 prime factors is how many times? 2? 6 times. So these factors we will write in the cube root sign inside of the cube root sign. This is a cube root sign, and you can see 2 is in the triplet form, 3 is also in triplet form. Triplet means 3 times. Okay, so 3 pairs is there. So we take out from 1, 2, and there from also 1, 2. When we have inside of the cube root 3 form, triplet form, that we can only take out from this cube root sign. If there is only 2 times, so we cannot take out from this cube root sign. When inside of in the triplet form, that only we can take out from number from cube root sign. So there you can see number 2 triplet pair is there, so we can take 2 and another 2 also, and finally 2 2s are 4. It means our cube root of 64 is 4. Then other questions similarly we can do. Then let's see question number 5th. Find the cube root of 9261. So in this question also, firstly we will find the prime factors, then all factors we will write in the cube root sign and making the triplets pair, and from triplets we will take out from 1 numbers from cube root sign. 3 in the triplet form, 7 is also in the triplet form, so we take out 1, 3 and 7. So our cube root of 9261 is 7 3s are 21.